Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today I'm here to show you my new listing at 43872 Mendocino. So it looks awesome this way, but you should wait till you see the views on that end. Okay, so usually we start from the street, but I am up on the driveway today. So here is the house we're going to be looking at. Video looks a little bit cockeyed. Let me see if I can fix this. No, different. Okay, so the one thing to note about this is that Mendocino, the street, is down here. So this is an off street of Yosemite, which is going to be this direction, comes down here, and it dead ends. So I'm just going to walk down here just to kind of show you. The sellers don't really use this portion of it too much. They just drive right up to the house and park there. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you everything. So coming down, here's some homes across the street. And obviously the sign showing the number of the home right here. So you're all the way up there. You can park down here below, but why would you do that when you could just park right up top? I still don't like how this video is going. Okay. All right, so back up to where we came from. Property lines on this one, I am not entirely sure of. So I would have to get a parcel map of it. But today we are going to be looking at 2 beds, 2 baths, ski slope views, lake views. And this driveway goes all the way down. So this is a shared driveway. So you're going to go all the way down. I almost recommend backing up because if it's not plowed all the way through, it might be a little bit difficult. We do have storage underneath of the buildup area. And okay, so coming inside, we are downstairs. So both bedrooms are downstairs, 1 bathroom downstairs, 1 bathroom upstairs. So entering in, we've got slate tile flooring and then the same kind of carpet, left, straight, and also to the right. We do have some nice wood paneling. And let's go this direction first. Ooh, it's cold up here today. So here we have the first bedroom. This one has 4 twin beds in it, so 2 bunk sets. Could possibly get another trundle bed underneath this one. This home has not been a rental. It has just been enjoyed for the family for just about 10 years and taken very good care of it too. So we do have central heating, as you can see right here, and nice, this is kind of like that nicer paneling here. And then a lot of people paint this if you want a different color. All right, if you hear me shiver, please forgive me. I am cold today. It is in the 20s this morning and very, very cold. All right, so here we are in the master bedroom. So we do have a queen bed, a little bit larger of a bedroom than the first bedroom. We do have single pane windows down here. So if you look, you can kind of see the one. It's just beautiful. Got like a great cabin vibe to it. And check out these really cool vintage skis. All the furniture could be negotiated into the deal, as well as this little bag that my daughter made. These were client gifts 2 years ago. And here we are coming into the bathroom. So we're going to transition from carpet over to tile. Do have like a rust color bathroom in here. It's nice and warm because we have a Thermador heat lamp. I'm gonna warm my hands up. Nice, beautiful pedestal sink. And we do have a full shower here too. Shower insert. Cute sign. Can I turn that heat lamp off? And I love all the artwork in here too. Check that out. It's like bear scribbles. I think it's really neat. Okay, so here we have just a hall closet, vacuum brooms, things like that. And then we're gonna go upstairs. So we've got the paneling on one side, drywall on the other. And once we get upstairs, if we go left, we've got the bathroom. Could go out back, the living room, or the kitchen. So I'm gonna, for sake of the video, keep it simple and go this direction. So here we have linen closets. And then again, same bathroom, pretty much the same touches, except it's not a pedestal sink up here. We've got like this really cool vintage yellow Formica countertop, but it goes good with that green. I like it. Same tub as the master downstairs. Nice insert. And that is cast iron down there too. So then we're gonna come, just gonna pop out back really quick just to kind of show you, but there is snow out here. So I'm not gonna go too far, but you are fenced on one part of it right here. This guy is fenced right here. So if you wanted to fence yourself in, you could. Otherwise it's kind of like nice little treed, foresty view out back. But your real hangout spot is going to be in the front. So one thing you notice when you're in the living room is just these beautiful vaulted ceilings, large beams constructed, and very just open floor plan. Again, nice artwork and beautiful views, but just wait. So here we have, this was, I think, the very first Christmas gift the girls made for all my clients. Nice reading lamp. I love that. And so here you're starting to get some ski slope views on this side. But I'm going to show you the views very last to make you wait till the very end. Then here we have a little corner fireplace. It, I'm pretty sure, has a gas starter on it. Oh, I don't see one. Probably gonna have to build that fire. I think it's really cool when they kind of rope around a corner like that. And a lot of people paint the brick like black, white, gray, but they have little fire starters too that'll kind of make it a little bit easier. This is outdoor furniture, but since it's cold outside, they kind of bring it in and use it as extra furniture. And then we're going to walk towards the kitchen where we turn back over to that slate flooring. And see how it's kind of like opened up top to like cutouts, just to kind of be inclusive of the living room. And then here, got a little dining nook and a full kitchen. So we've got full refrigerator, all stainless steel appliances, microwave, stove, and dishwasher. Nice single large deep sink. And then these are the same countertops as in the bathroom, which is just kind of a fun big bear color too. So here we are up in Moonridge, probably about like a 10-minute drive to the village, 8 minutes to the ski slopes, maybe about like a 5 to 7 minute drive to Bear Mountain, 7-8 minutes to Snow Summit. And I don't know where else you'd need to go. Grocery stores, maybe about 8-minute drive. So here we are out on the deck. And well, you can't really tell, that's the lake right there. Bear Mountain. Beautiful. And you hear these birds just playing up in the tree. Paint job is in really good shape. Nice updated exterior lighting, party lights. Just letting you hear the birds for a little bit. So we are just hitting the market for $550. 2-bed, 2-bath, well-maintained home, ski slope views, lake views, Moonridge area, not been a rental, would be a great rental, adorable, and could come fully furnished. Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you want to come take a look, you know where to find us. Bye.